In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a new presentation using Google Slides. Whether you're prepping for a big meeting or crafting an engaging classroom lesson, Google Slides offers an intuitive platform to design presentations with ease. Let's dive into getting started step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. You can easily find it by typing slidesgoogle.com into your address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Slides homepage. If you haven't already signed in to your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password and hit that sign in button to proceed. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to take advantage of Google Slides and all its features, but most of you are probably already familiar with that process. Once you're signed in, you will land on the Google Slides homepage. This is your central hub for all things presentation. You've got lots of options here, but today we're focusing on starting a new presentation. Now, turning our attention to the upper left area of the screen, you'll see a prominent button that says blank. This is your go-to for starting from scratch. Click on this and voila. You're presented with a blank canvas where you can let your creativity flow, but maybe you're not in the mood to start with a blank slate. No worries, Google Slides also offers a variety of templates. Right next to that blank option, you'll see Template Gallery. Clicking on this will unveil a wide array of professionally designed templates. Whether you're doing a photo portfolio, a business presentation, or a wedding slide showcase, there's something there for you. Templates are fantastic for saving time while still delivering a polished and professional look. Now, with your blank presentation or selected template ready, it's time for customization. Each slide is like a page in your story. You can add text, images, videos, and even transitions to make your presentation as engaging and informative as possible. Don't hesitate to experiment with the numerous features available, such as changing the background, adding speaker notes, and incorporating diagrams to add a touch of flair and make your presentation uniquely yours. And there you have it. That's the basic rundown of starting a new presentation in Google Slides. It's a user-friendly platform made simple and accessible for everyone, from students to professionals. You've got the tools at your fingertips to make your next presentation not just good, but great. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy sliding!